We're excited to introduce our comprehensive guide on how to ace your 3-year MD program in just 5 simple steps. We've got you covered with expert advice and proven strategies. Let's walk through the 5 essential steps to make your medical school dreams a reality. Step number 1. It is all about crushing the MCAT with an outstanding score of 515 to 525 range. Our program provides all the tools, resources, and strategies you need to excel on this crucial exam. Step number 2. Crafting a balanced school list. This balanced approach maximizes your chances of acceptance while still reaching for your highest aspiration. Step number 3 focuses on writing standout essays. Your application essays are your chance to tell your unique story. Step number 4 will prepare you to ace the interview that showcase your passion, knowledge, and readiness for medical school. Now, here's the most important step. Step 5. Claim your free $5,000 MCAT prep coupon. This is a limited time offer you don't want to miss. Whether you're aiming for medical schools in the USA, Canada, or the Caribbean, we're here to guide you every step of the way with our 5-step guide and the support of the SKI Medical Network. We'll work together to make your medical school dreams a reality. Don't forget to take advantage of our free MCAT prep offer by subscribing our channel and joining our preparation program.